today I'm gonna let you know, guys, how to send an email with an attachment. In the last video, we discussed about how to send an email. Now I'm gonna let you know, guys, how to send an email with an attachment. So first of all, we are going to go to the top. At the very top to the left hand side, you would be able to view new email under the file option. Under the file new email, please click on that, and after that you would see a new window opening. There, add a recipient like I'm doing. If you want to add anyone in the CC, just add here, and subject is going to be test, as we always do. Test. This is a test email, so this is test again. So now uh, the interesting part, how to attach a file with this email. You just have to go to the top right in the middle. There is an option attach file. You would be able to view attach file. Click on that. I've got many attachments saved on my PC, so I'm going to select Outlook image, which is this, and as soon as you do that, the attachment appears here. Yeah, that's it. Now the only thing which you need to do is click on send like this, and voila, your email has been sent with an attachment. So that's it for today, smart people. I'm gonna be back with more updates and more information about Outlook. If you enjoy if you've liked the video, just like uh, my video, and I don't know, stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And this is your friend signing off. You have a great day.